Hello and good morning to Madam Nurul. In this video, I will talk about Project Management Module 2. My name is Yap Ming Yan from the group The Black Order CS. In our previous assignment Module 1, the title for our project is Tourist Information Tracking System. In Project Management Part 2, it is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 have measurable organizational value MOV and the list of resources involved. Part 2 we have the deliverable structure chart, the use case diagram and the work breakdown structure. In Part 3 we have the resources assigned costs. In Part 1, the measurable organizational value for our project remains the same as in Module 1. The area of impact involved such as strategic, operational, financial, and customer remains the same, and we hoping that the project will be successful if we able to decrease the number of tourist accidents by 30%, increase the number of tourists by 30%, increase the profit by 25%, and improve the tourist satisfaction by 40%. The list of resources involved will be needed for this project, such as people involved such as the project manager, project analyst, business analyst, and system analyst. The technology we will involve is called the Sarawak Forestry Corporation Tracking System. The facility involved are computer hardware such as CPU and computer data storage and others. Other resources needed for this project are database, software such as license and development tools, as well as other support and maintenance involved. In Part 2, the deliverable structure chart, also known as DAC, it is shown in this diagram here. A use case diagram UCD is also shown here to show that the stakeholders involved, as well as the functions that the information system will perform. For the work breakdown structure, we are using the software Jan Pro, and here are the screenshots for the work breakdown structure. I will open the software to show, because this is just a screenshot, I'm not sure Madam able to see it clearly, but here is the Gantt chart. It is depicted here, and the screenshot here, if we zoom in, the screenshot here have the name of the task involved, the milestone, the resource assignment, the start date, the end date, as well as the duration. So we use this software Jan Pro to do our work breakdown structure. As you can see that here we have the task name involved, the one without resource assignment. The one without the resource assignment is the milestone. The start date is assigned, and then the duration is assigned. As for your knowledge, Madam, that this date, some of the date we are unable to edit because this software is designed to automate our input, so that we key in the duration, it will automate the dates for us, or we set some of the date in task and it will automate and finalize the final start date and end date for the next phase of the project. In here, the Gantt chart looks something like this. So the task, after one task is finished, it will connect to other until the end of a milestone. Then it will begin another phase. It will begin another phase of the project. So for this project, it is estimated that we need 95 days to complete. As stated in the project requirements, have to finish in 6 months. For part 3, the resource assigned cost, it is stated here. And to link the tasks for the precedence diagram method, we have the start to start relationship. Finish to finish relationship, we have 3 here. The begin and end dates and how long the duration of the project, it is stated here. The critical path we identify is starting from consulting the clients until delivering the project evaluation to the stakeholders. The critical path, which it is the longest sequence of the activity involved, so that if any of the critical path change, the project and then will also affected as well. Overall, there are no over allocated resources involved in our project. For the work breakdown structure, if madam having problem viewing this, madam can feel free to contact us, and maybe we can display the work breakdown, the Gantt chart in detail. We would also like to say thank you for your patience, your time, and guidance for creating the video to help us out. And that is all from me. Thank you.